How to join a Discord server, or how you can find a Discord server. In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can join or find Discord server. So go ahead and open your Discord. When you open your Discord, navigate to the server section showing below your screen. So if you're on the message section, go to the server section. So when you go to the server section, guys, click on where it says plus. So click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, as you can see just down below your screen, you're going to be seeing where it says join server. So click on that. When you click on that, guys, you just have to go ahead and paste in the link of the server you want to join. So when you paste in the link, the invite link, you can just paste in the link and join the server you want to serve. Now, for example, so there are tons of places you can find Discord servers to join. As you can see, this is Discadia. It's a very good website to find Discord server. So let's click on this. I hope this does not expire. So as you can see, guys, when you click on the link or you paste on the link, the invite link directly on Discord, you just have to click on where it says accept invite. So when you click on accept invite, guys, it's going to navigate you to the channel or server. As you can see, guys, this is the server. So I can go ahead and see things I want to see. So this is how to create a server on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.